Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. T5 the Traveler here with Becky the Trekkie, and we are at Busch Gardens Williamsburg for Howl-O-Scream, the 25th anniversary here, 2024, and they've got a DarKoaster indoor dark ride. It's kind of got like the little motorcycle style seats.
Yeah.
I have never ridden it. Becky's never been on it, so it's going to be a first ride for us. We'll try to get front row, but it's really busy. It looks like it's got like a 45-minute wait out there. We had to pop into the gift shop just so we had enough light so you could see us for the intro here, but we'll bring you on board point of view for the ride, and then stick with this afterwards. We'll let you know what we think of that versus other indoor dark rides and roller coasters that we've been on. We've been on quite a few. I'm going to say Flight of Fear is up there as far as
that's a good one.
An indoor dark. So maybe we'll compare that to this, but it's got the different seating.
Yeah.
So we'll see how it goes. I really like these T-shirts in here too, so maybe we'll check that out afterwards. Anyway, without any further ado, join us for the ride. Let's go. Boy, this thing's got some really nice theming. It's in this huge castle. They've got it all nicely lit. Spooky little dark area going up towards the ride. And so far, I gotta say, this does look like a haunted castle. I mean, like the legit thing. The Dark Castle. Prince Ludwig of DarKoaster ascended to king in 1864 after his parents mysteriously disappeared. Soon thereafter, he emptied the royal treasury, transforming the castle into an impenetrable fortress with secret passageways. He then lured his advisors that tried to overthrow him into a mysterious winter storm, and that descended upon them, where their golden sleighs were discovered in their stalls empty. And to this day, the castle remains strangely frozen in time.
This time, once the snowmobile comes to complete stop,
DarKoaster.
step carefully onto the snowmobiles directly in front of you, while pull the harness down over your legs. If you are not riding at this time, please take a step behind the line. The gates are now closing. During your
Keeping my knees in. This looks
remain
tight.
seated, keeping your back against the seat back. Legs down.
Do we pull this down or do they?
Use both hands to hold on to the grab bar for the duration of the ride.
Okay, I think I'm in.
I think I'm in. We're on the Wild Wolf coaster.
Hi, we're thinking for your good?
Yep.
Thank you.
All good.
Okay,
Are you gonna lean forward and hold these things?
hold it.
All right, I guess I'm in.
That feels great on my back.
I am in, Becky.
Scale platform.
DarKoaster. Golden sleds.
Platform clear.
Jet skis, I think they are. The modern golden
Do
sled.
you have what it takes to brave
The
the
gates
storm?
are moving.
Let's find out.
And here we go. Here we go, Becky. Man, it is dark in here. It's got a little theme. Here we go! Oh! What in the world? Holy fuck! Woo! Start! To the left! Woo!
Oh my god!
Wow!
Woo!
Got
I got
some
my
speed.
eyes watering so bad.
Some right.
Wow.
So it's a 2-lap, and really it's 4 launches, and that second launch is actually pretty good. So, all right, we'll get back to the station, and we'll meet you outside. All right. They're all clear. Oh, maybe we'll just bring it all the way in. Let's just see what it looks like. It was faster than anticipated, I will say.
I agree. I think it has something to do with being in the dark.
Yeah, it really makes a difference. You can't tell where you're going.
Right.
I almost had a little bit on the
This time,
on the head there.
once the snowmobile comes to a complete stop,
Okay,
please
gates are
lift up your
closed.
safety restraint and exit carefully to your left, taking all personal belongings and civilians.
We're up.
Thank you for riding DarKoaster.
We are
And
out.
enjoy the rest of your day at Busch Gardens.
All right, the DarKoaster. We braved the storm. It felt like a storm, actually.
Yes.
What'd you think of the ride?
Oh my gosh, that was awesome. Being in the front, you cannot see a thing. I actually had my eyes closed at one part. I'm like, oh my God, after like second launch. But yeah, I had a great ride on that.
It's a double loop. The first launch is a little bit slower than the second. That second one really puts you into that bankroll right there, and then you can't really tell where you're at
Not at
for
all.
that second half. And then they really did a nice job. The theming is great.
It is.
There's a little bit of I wouldn't call it animatronics, but it's more like digital design in there, so you kind of see like some of the ghosts and things like when you're zipping through the ride.
Flashing,
and
yeah.
it's really faster than it only says like in the 30s for speed, but man, it really feels like it's moving in
Way
there
faster.
inside. It's a great ride, great family ride. The line was pretty long for that one, so plan on that. If you're going to use a quick queue here at this park, you can do that. We've got the Platinum Pass, but we bought them in Florida, so they don't give you quick queues up here, and they don't have the Pass Member Lounge or anything like that. So just plan for that if you're coming to this park. But we're having a great time here at Busch Gardens for Halloween 25th anniversary. Big thank you to all our loyal subscribers, fellow travelers, and we will see you soon on the next ride. Bye, everybody.